Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I will be explaining to you how we can apply propositional logic in computer programming. Now, the first is conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunction is if both are the statement is correct, we can get the true value in our table. Okay, here's the good example. If username and password are both correct, it will let us enter our computer program, or it will let us through our computer program. But don't you worry, I will show you how this proposition works at the end of the video. Secondly is disjunction. If one of our proposition is correct, it would still turns out true in our truth table. So here's a good example. And this syntax is denoted by two vertical consecutive line. This is the alternative with the first password that we have just discussed. The benefits of this is if some reason I forgot the first password, I could still log in using my second password using this line over here. So this is how the second or or statement works. And last but not the least, the negation. Negation will be the catch of your program. This message dialog box will show you if you have inputted the wrong username or password. Now, in order to demonstrate, I will try to insert our username and password, and if both of these are correct, it will let us through to our program. Now, that's the first one we call conjunction. Now, remember, in this junction, whether one of those password is correct, or let's just say you forgot the first password you have created, we can still use the second password, which is this word right here. So if I try to log in using those proposition, it would still let us through to our program. That's how this junction works. And last but not the least, negation. In computer programming, this will show us a message dialog box that will tell us what went wrong during our logging in. For example, I will intentionally make the username incorrect in order to show the dialog box. Now, if I try to log in, It will show us a message dialog box saying what went wrong during our login process. It will pop up in the middle of your program. You just have to keep in mind that negation is the opposite output of your desired program. If your desired program turns out false, the message dialog box will turn out true. It is just the opposite of your desired output.